Thank you very much for that interesting presentation. Next, we will move on to the presentation by Dr. Khalid on open source linguistic techniques for knowledge discovery processing. I'm sorry. The next presentation is by Mr. Saleh, who will present on open source software for Arabic citation engine, the issues and challenges associated with it.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Saleh Al-Zuhaimi, PhD student in International Islamic University in Malaysia. My presentation about open source software for Arabic citation engine. Recently, there are various software for citation index, such as Scopus, Google Scholar, and Journal of Citation Report, and others. These software have some disadvantages, such as not providing support to the literature which is written in Arabic, and it built as a commercial and closed software. So this study aims to explore Arabic initiative in the developing of open source software Arabic citation engine. And also it aims to investigate the ability of systematic analysis for Arabic citation index. As you know, bibliometrics or systematic is one of important scientific research tools for analyzing the literature in specific subjects. This tool helps researchers and institutions to know the relative or separated subject, knowledge sharing, the core of resources, impact factor of journals, and high contribution among authors and other systematic analysis. But in Arabic studies, have not benefited much from this system, as it doesn't support sources and citation writing in Arabic language. This force researchers and those who focus in bibliometric studies and analysis of literature which is written in Arabic language to use manual methods of analysis and application in bibliometric laws. So, to fill this gap, this study will attempt to explore the Arabic initiative and also to focus in about the systematic analysis for Arabic citation index. What the related works in this subject, to sum it up, it is observed that most of previous studies used manual methods in Arabic literature due to the weakness of potential automated system that has been developed, such as Scopus and also Google Scholar and GCR. So, as I mentioned, there is no Arabic open source software built in web-based except the system for systematic analysis for Arabic citation index, which was developed by Al-Zuhaimi and used in his study in Omani literature in medical heritage. I will go direct to the advantages of this software. So, there is some advantages of this software which I can include to it is open source software. This program allows source file to modification and also development, and open also for developers to participate in this solution of this program. And the second also, the ability to analyze the various types of materials such as periodicals and manuscripts, theses, books, and different types of Arabic literature. It is easy of use. One of these advantages of this program is easy to move between user interface and screen. Also, the output of this software, the program consists of 5 main elements, which are article, citation, report, and management and lists. Each main element contains subfield. For example, for articles, for article element, you can add full text of article or just bibliographic data. Also, you can search in different fields. Reports are another also elements in this software which contain statistics about author in articles, also author in citation, average of citation in each article, and also in each citation. So, we can conclude that this system, or the systematic analysis for Arabic Citation Index, is the first Arabic open source software in the area of analyzing citation. Also, easy to use and develop due to the being an open source, and is suitable to all types of Arabic studies that focus analyze of citation reference. We are present, this is, or we have a poster about this is software in our section, Trans-Gulf Information Technology, and this is in this event. So that's about our software. Thank you very much. Thank you.